Good morning, everybody. We are in Wendover, Nevada, Utah border, wherever you want to call it. Lost a couple $100, but it's all right. But we are headed to Las Vegas this morning. I got a little editing done. Let's go on this 5-hour drive. Right now we are 240 miles away from Las Vegas. We're on US 6 West right now. So we're headed there. We only got 3.5, 4 hours, somewhere around there till we get to Vegas. We're getting there, guys. Mom, how do you feel?
I'm fine, I'm fine.
That one road we had to take was crazy. It was like dark and it was like long. 118 miles on this one road. No gas station, no nothing.
One lane and...
One lane. 70 miles an hour, all these bendy roads, so.
Can't even see shit.
But yeah, it's a beautiful country out here. Pit stop time, use the bathroom. We are 103 miles out of Las Vegas, an hour and 30 minutes roughly. We're almost there, guys. I'm getting excited. Check this out though. When is the last time you guys seen a payphone? I have a couple of these little cigars I've been smoking, but I'm not gonna start smoking, guys, I promise. But we're almost there, and I'm excited to get into town. We should get there around 11 a.m. Vegas time. Super pumped up, super stoked. See you in there. We're about 9 miles out of Las Vegas. Finally arrived. Mom, those are where the warehouses are out there. There. Yep, so that's pretty cool. We're about here. About 8 miles to the destination, so we made it. We're right here. You can see the strip from here. The palm trees. It's supposed to be 115 degrees today, a 30-degree temperature change compared to what we're used to. And then we gotta head to Excalibur. Made it to Vegas. We gotta take Mom's cat to this little boarding daycare thing because we can't take him in the hotel. A lot of the hotels say dogs only, so I feel bad for Mom. We gotta take the cat over here, but you know, either that or get rid of the cat. And we didn't want to get rid of Mom's cat, so but it's expensive and they're giving us a deal, so hopefully they honored the deal, because Mom talked to one lady and she said 40 bucks a day if it's over 7 days or more. So I think it's regularly $60 a day. So but after this we're gonna, I don't know, we might grab something to eat in this plaza over here. We're on West Sahara, and then we got to go to Excalibur. Check-in, we decided to play a little video Blackjack. Put in 20, cashed out for 35, so $15 profit on that. And now we're gonna head into Popeye's Chicken and grab some Popeye's Chicken, and we check in an hour and a half. So that's what we got going on today. And Mom's having a good time. Glad to be here. Mom was a rock star. Mom drove the whole way, 900 miles.
I'm proud of myself.
We got the GPS rocking, but
thank you.
made it here, and took Mom's cat to the pet place.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll go to the storage unit and get our key and everything for that and drop our stuff off. And
hopefully they'll give us news on the house this week soon.
Yeah, hopefully. Cross our fingers. We went downstairs, gambled a little at Excalibur, lost like 50 bucks, but we were there for quite a while. We look over, $10,000 this lady hits on Firelink.
$595.
First we thought it was 500. We're like, oh, 500, all right, cool, nice win. And then $10,000. You guys probably seen it by now, but that's gonna be the end of our day, or part 2 of the Vegas drive and moving to Vegas. Hope you guys enjoyed some of the vlog footage. Tomorrow's going to be a different day. We're going to head out to the storage unit, get the storage unit, secure that, throw some of our stuff in the storage that's been packed in the van. And I got to get with my new job sometime. I don't know about tomorrow, but eventually sometime this week I got to get with the new job and talk to them and stuff like that, because I start on the 24th. But like I mentioned before, daily vlogs. Stay tuned.